Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to paint this insulator into a snowman. So you'll need a larger size glass insulator, some ribbon of your choice. You'll need some white acrylic paint, black acrylic paint, orange acrylic paint, pink acrylic paint, and some glamour dust, which is just a sparkle glaze that goes over the top. You also need a black paint pen, which I do not have shown. So the first step is to paint the insulator bottom half with the white acrylic paint. You can get these insulators at yard sales, thrift stores. They have them at antique shops for relatively cheap. If you're lucky, you could find them at a Salvation Army thrift store or a Goodwill. After you're done painting the white, on the bottom, you'll paint the top half of the insulator black. Now you can choose how far you want to go down with the black. I did it to the top of the white. I wanted it to kind of look like the brim of his hat. And for the black and the white paint, you'll need 2 to 3 coats. It's up to you how many you want to do. I did 3 and allowed to dry in between each coat. So now that I have him all painted, we're going to start to paint his face. I took my paint marker and did 2 teardrops for his eyes and colored them in. And then I did 2 lines on either side of the eyes to represent his eyebrows. Next, I took the pink paint and I dipped a Q-tip in it and brushed off a lot of the paint and did 2 little small circles on either side of his cheeks. And you don't want a lot of paint, just a little bit, kind of like blush. Then I did 2 half circles underneath the pink and then attached them with a half circle smile. Then I took my orange acrylic paint and a small paintbrush and did a small teardrop for his nose. And you can point the nose in whatever direction you want. It's totally up to you. Once I got his nose painted on, I took a pencil, dipped it in the white paint, and did 2 small dots for his eyes. Then I took my white paint and dipped the end of my paintbrush into it and did dots all over his hat, just on the black. And I did it on just the top, not the sides. And you can do this or you don't have to. You could do snowflakes, paint them on if you wanted to. It's totally up to you. I just thought this gave it a little more character and a little bit of a cuter look. So once that was all dry, I used my glamour dust, which is essentially a clear coat that just has sparkle in it. And I just took a paintbrush and painted it on. It goes on with a white look, but it dries clear. And you can find this at Hobby Lobby. I believe they also have it on Amazon. It's made by Deco Art. And I use it in a lot of my Christmas projects. I love the way it looks once it's dry. And this project is super cute and super easy, and I know any one of you guys could do this. You can sort of see the sparkle on that. See how sparkly he looks now? Now I just took and made a bow out of my favorite ribbon and glued it right to the front. And there you go. He's all done. And he's super, super cute. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to sprinkle. And have an awesome day.